Hi everyone, I'm Amay Sangulet this side. How are you all? Hope you are doing well in your life. If you want to build a confidence, you have to put yourself out and letting go others people's expectation because many of us are living the watered down versions of someone else. Many of are living watered down versions of our friends who they want to live according to their conditions. So go all in, whatever excuses, whatever it means you, whatever bothers you, whatever pushes you. So what I understand that overall problem is that we compare our compare our life, compare our behind the scenes of our life to someone else highlighted reels. We compare our failures to someone else highest point of confidence or his highest point of success. We compare our insecurity. When we compare our insecurity to someone else highest point of confidence, we feel that we are not enough. So go all in. What do you mean by this? Let us understand by a story of a teacher who hates his jobs because he have to go to every day. And when he was in a college, is he didn't see himself making really he can really make an impact in other people's life. It was until he started putting ourselves in the uncomfortable situations where he started sharing his ideas, putting ourselves in uncomfortable situation makes him or you can say force him to grow. And that's because of this the school started becoming better and better and better. So he soon realized that it's having the opportunity to change the story of herself and really make an impact in the society. He also understand that the school needs his leadership because by creating impacts on other people's life, he can change he can make his school better and better. So what do you learn from this story? It is that you have to keep challenging yourselves and letting go of others people expectation and start chasing and go all in whatever you want to chase in your life. At the end, I just want to say it's time to start believing that you can really make an impact in the world.